Hey there. In this video, we will troubleshoot the odometer-date validation error. Let's see what a typical odometer error looks like in Simply Fleet. Let's say we need to add fuel for a vehicle today. We enter the details, but it gives an error, saying a conflicting record exists in issues. A date odometer validation error means the date and mileage you entered conflict with your existing records. For example, logging a newer date with a lower odometer reading. There are two ways to fix this. 1. Correct a mistake made in a single recrod. 2. You have too many backdated errors and now want to reset the odometer. Let's see the first one. As our error pointed out that there was a conflicting record in issues, let's try correcting that record. Go to the Issues tab. Select the record in conflict and click Edit. Now change the odometer to the correct value. Click Save, and you're done. Let's go back and try to add the fuel record again. This time, the system lets you enter the odometer and saves the record. Let's say you see more errors, one after another, and fixing each record becomes tedious. For example, let's go to daily mileage, and we try entering the starting odometer. And again, we encounter an error. This value is already used in a work order. So now, go to that work order. Click Edit and fix the odometer value. But wait, another error. It says the same value also exists in issues. Too many errors back to back? Here's the reset trick. Go to the Vehicles tab. Search for the same vehicle, click Edit. Change the current odometer to the correct number. Hit Save. Now all the future records can be added with the correct odometer. However, the old records will remain unchanged. That's how you fix odometer validation errors in Simply Fleet. Fix one wrong entry, or reset if you have several. Simple and quick.